Hi everybody, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you this super cute little Mulberry Hayden. So this Mulberry Hayden has one short leather strap. On the front we've got flap closure with that Mulberry plaque on there as well. Inside we've got press stud fasten there, so you can see that's how it closes up. And then in there we've also got one nice big spacey compartment, and then at the back we've got that zip pocket. That's a flat pocket there. On the other side, got one flat pocket here as well. And just under that zip pocket, we've got the Mulberry tag. You can see that little silver Mulberry tag. And then on the back, got that serial code on it as well. So for the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior good. I'll show you just all around to begin with. You can see it hasn't got any marks or stains on it anywhere. It's just kind of these bottom corners have a little bit of wear to them, but it's quite minimal really. And then on the back as well, just a few signs of wear. You can see just here, just a few signs of wear here and there. Inside, again, we've called that good. You can see on this flap here where it's a little bit creased. Again, just signs of wear. No rips or tears or anything like that though. And then just on this little leather bit on the flap pocket inside, it's just a little bit of kind of fraying and wear there. But other than that, still looks very nice on the inside. Hardware, called fair. Mostly for this front plaque here. It doesn't show up super well on the camera, but there's just a few scratches on there. You can see at that angle, those scratches there, and a little bit of a mark there. But these loops and the press studs as well still look great. They still look, not any scratching or anything on those. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags. And I'll show you what this Hayden comes with. So we've got Mulberry care card. That's got all the info inside. And then we've also got Mulberry dust bag as well. So for the exact measurements on this bag, go to the link in the description below. Hopefully it should take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean this has sold. But we get in Mulberry all the time, so you can get on our request list, which you do just by sending us an email or filling out the contact form on our website. Let us know that you love this bag, and what we'll do is we'll get you on our request list and we'll send you through an email if we ever get in another bag like this. So yeah, don't forget to get on the request list. Exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and this is where it sits on me. I like that it's a short strap, so it sits higher. It's a really cute bag. I love this bag, and the leopard print as well is really, really cool. So for more info on this bag, go to the link in the description below. You'll find loads more bags on our website as well. If there's any bags on there that take your fancy, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, because when you do that, we'll send you through your discount code, your welcome discount code, and you can use that on your first purchase with us. Also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. So if you have any bags that you would like to sell with Armcandy, then go to that page and you'll find all the details you need to know there. And that's all I have for you, so we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.